आज आपण मेकॅनिक्सचं 6व्या एक्झाम्पलवर आहोत. लास्ट क्लासमध्ये आपण 5 एक्झाम्पलपर्यंत आलो होतो. एक्झाम्पल 6. ए युनिफॉर्म प्लेन लॅमिना in the form of rhombus, one of whose angles is 120 degree. ABCD is a rhombus. One of them angle is 120 degree. Is supported by two forces applied at the center in the direction of the diagonals, so that one side of the rhombus is horizontal. One side of the rhombus is horizontal, that is AB, and supported two forces applied at the center in the direction of the diagonal. This diagonal is of force P and this diagonal is of force Q. Prove that if P and Q be forces and P is greater than Q, then we have to prove that P is equal to under root 3Q. P जर ग्रेटर दॅन Q असेल आणि दोन फोर्सेस P आणि Q असेल, जे की डायगोनलला दर्शवलेलं आहे. AC डायगोनल म्हणजे P फोर्स आहे आणि BD डायगोनल म्हणजे Q फोर्स आहे, आणि एक हा जो वेट आहे जो खाली डाऊनवर्डला दर्शवलेला आहे तो W. Let O be the center of the rhombus ABCD. O be the center of the rhombus ABCD with the side AB is horizontal. Let angle DBA angle is 120 degree, and W be the weight of the lamina. Since the diagonals of a rhombus are at right angles, the diagonals of the rhombus are at right angles, and hence angle COD is 90 degree. The forces acting at O are as follows. W bar, the weight of the lamina acting vertically downwards. W bar, it is a weight of the lamina acting downward, vertically downward. Force P, the force acting along OC, and force Q, the force acting along OD. From right angle triangle COD, we observe that the sides OD, OC and CD are perpendicular to the forces P bar, Q bar and W bar respectively. Hence, by remark of previous article, triangle COD is a triangle of force, and hence P divided by OD बरोबर Q divided by OC बरोबर W divided by C. These three ratios are equal to each other. If you consider first and second, then P divided by Q, which is equal to OD upon OC, because we want to prove P is equal to under root 3 into Q. So consider first two ratios, P divided by Q, which is equal to OD upon OC. But from triangle COD, triangle COD, OD upon OC, which is equal to tan 60 degree, and we know that tan 60 degree is under root 3, and OD means P and OC means Q, hence P upon Q, which is equal to under root 3. This implies P is equal to under root 3 into Q. This is we want to prove. आता आपण एक्झरसाइज मधले काही प्रॉब्लेम बघू. त्याच्यातला एक एक्झाम्पल नंबर. ए बॉडी ऑफ वेट 52 kg is suspended by two strings of length 5 meter and 12 meter attached to the points in the same horizontal line whose distance apart is 13 meter AB. Find the tensions of the strings. So we have to find out T1 tension and T2 tension. Solution. Let us consider a body of weight 52 kg. This is suspended by string CA and CB of lengths 5 meter and 12 meter respectively, attached to the point A and B in the same horizontal line AB. So this is attached same horizontal line AB of 13 meter apart. Let T1 and T2 be the tensions in the strings CA and CB respectively. So here this point C, this dotted line, draw the dotted line. So this angle is of A, this angle is B, but this angle, this complete angle is 90 degree. But if you consider from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, this from here to here B, and from here to here 90. So this complete is B plus 90 or B plus pi by 2. And here from here to here A, and from here to here 90. So this complete angle is A plus pi by 2. From given consideration, what are given? AB is equal to 13 meter, CA is equal to 5 meter, and CB is equal to 12 meter. We observe that CA square plus CB square, which is equal to CA means 5 square, CB means 12 square, 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144, 25 plus 144, which addition is 169, which is the perfect square of 13 square, and AB is 13 meter. So that is equal to AB square. So what happened then? CA square plus CB square is equal to AB square. And that's why angle ACB means this angle is 90 degree. Hence the angle ABC is a right angle triangle. But the three forces acting at a point C, tension T1 is one force, tension T2 is other force, and this downward, that means 52 weight is third force, are in equilibrium, and hence by Lami's theorem we get, what is the Lami's theorem? T1 divided by sine angle BCD, which is equal to T2 divided by sine angle ACB, and which is equal to this force downwards, that means is of weight 52 divided by sine angle ACB. So this implies T1 upon sine 90 degree plus B. How? Sine BCD, BCD. So that means this B angle and this angle is of 90 degree. This angle B and plus this angle BCD, this complete angle is 90 plus B. So write down here 90 degree plus B, which is equal to T2 divided by ACD. That means this and this complete angle. So this B plus this is 90 plus B. And this is A plus AC. And this is also a 90 degree, which is equal to 52 divided by sine angle ACB. ACB, that means this one. This is 90. This angle is, this complete angle from here to here is 90 degree. So sine 90 degree means 1, and this sine 90 degree plus B means cos B. Sine pi by 2 plus theta is cos theta. Sine pi by 2 plus theta is cos theta. Here cos A, here cos B. T1 upon cos B, which is equal to T2 upon cos A, which is equal to 52 upon sine 90 means 1. Because sine 0 is 0 and sine 90 is 1. So these three ratios, if you consider first and last, then T1 which is equal to 52 cos B. And when we consider second and third ratio, T2 is equal to 52 cos A. Hence from right angle triangle ABC, this right angle triangle, we get cos B which is equal to cos B which is equal to CA upon CB. which is equal to 5 divided CA upon CB. No, CA upon AB. CA upon AB. CA upon AB. Cos B is equal to CA upon AB, which is equal to 5 upon 13, and cos A is equal to CB upon AB. So 12 divided by 30. From equation 1 and 2, this 1 and this second. Equation 1, substitute the value of cos B. T1 is equal to 52 into 5 divided by 13. 5 divided by 13. 13 cancel with this 52. 4 is remaining. 13 multiply 4 is 52. 4 multiply 5 is 20. 20 kg weight. And from equation 2, if you substitute the value of cos A, T2 is equal to 52 into 12 upon 30. 13, 52. 13 multiply 4 means 4 here remaining. 4 multiply 12, 48 kg weight. Hence, tensions in the strings are T1 is equal to 20 kg weight and T2 is equal to 48 kg weight. This is we have to show or find out T1 and T2 tensions. Thank you.